In this video, you'll learn how to delete your TikTok account permanently. Are you afraid of your safety? Do you believe Trump and his idea to remove TikTok from existence? But you're saying it's bad. It gets the bad hammer. In this video, you'll learn how to do it. It's no BS tutorial. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so make sure you subscribe if you're new. Me and my team, we have 2 video editors. We try to produce 2 videos or more every single day for your value. So before we start, make sure you like the video, and also I will shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below or your TikTok account. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so I'm on my phone and it works the same way on iOS or Android devices, and when you go on TikTok you just click the Me button, then the 3 dots right here, then click on the first option, manage my account, and then delete account. You just click delete account, they'll send you a verification code, you follow through it and you have it deleted within. Sometimes they give you a period where you can reactivate it, but after that it's deleted permanently. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check this video or this video. See you in the next one. Bye.